Consider the new Ford Explorer ST line when you need an SUV with a performance-inspired design. The new Ford Explorer ST line offers a 2.3-liter EcoBoost inline-four-cylinder engine with great low-end torque for steep uphill climbs. A 10-speed automatic transmission quickly shifts gears, so you stay ahead of the pack no matter if you're towing or hauling. Enjoy all the great amenities of the Explorer XLT, but with the stylish dusting of performance accessories from Ford Performance. 20-inch wheels accentuate the appearance of the Explorer ST line for a sporty look, and blacked-out trims keep you under the radar. Fit everyone inside with seating for 7, or you can choose second-row captain's chairs for even more space between passengers. Fold the third row flat if you need more space, and a cavernous load space will swallow up to 47.9 cubic feet of cargo capacity. Lay all the seats flat, and your Explorer turns into a part-time moving van with up to 87.8 cubic feet of space behind the first row. Take the jet skis or a small trailer along with you on your adventure with Explorer's 5,600-pound towing capacity. This SUV puts the utility in sport utility vehicle. Kendall delivers to your home when you use our online car shopping and home delivery for free, up to 100 miles. Simply buy online and we'll drop off your new car, truck, or SUV right to your front door. Hit like and subscribe to our channel to watch more great videos from Kendall. Come by our beautiful Ford dealership and find your next Ford Explorer today in Eugene, near Good Pasture Island Road and Delta Highway. Kendall, let's start something great.